So just a final comment on corrosion, just oxygen in water. As you know, dissolved oxygen in water is one of the key reasons for corrosion to occur. Oxygen mainly exists, obviously, in the air, can dissolve happily into the water as well. But what we need for corrosion is we need 4 electrons from somewhere plus the oxygen to make 2 dissolved oxygen atoms. If I've now got a steel pole in the water, like this could be a pile on a wharf, go to circular key, have a look on the piles in circular key, you'll see they're all mainly corroded around the waterline. Why is that? The iron is dissolving into iron plus and releasing 4 electrons. The oxygen is picking up those 4 electrons and making iron oxide, which then falls to the bottom of the ocean or stays coated on the surface as an ahydrated iron oxide, also known as rust. That's physically what it is. Why it always happens here? Because the oxygen is dissolving into the surface. That's where the oxygen needs the electrons. Why would the iron dissolve down here and send all the electrons all the way up to there when it can easily just dissolve there and shoot them across? Corrosion happens, corrosion, the oxidation reaction happens right where it's needed. It doesn't happen miles away and then send the electrons further than it needs to. It's something called entropy outside the syllabus. But I'm pretty sure that makes sense. That's why all the iron always corrodes around the waterline. It's really lightly corroded miles away from the waterline, a lot lighter corroded up in the air compared to the corrosion that occurs at the waterline.